Hey guys, my name is T. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And before we get started in the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload, you'll be one of the first people to be notified. And with that being said, let's dive into the video. So in this video, we're going to be doing another Visage update. As you guys should know by now, I'm doing this for my journey, but I'm also doing this for people that are interested in Visage and they want to know, the ins, the outs about it. They don't want the sugarcoat, they don't want the hype, they don't want the guru type thing going on. So with that being said, let's dive into the computer.
All right, guys, so we're going to go into my back office. This is going to be really quick, too. Okay, guys, so we're in my back office. So nothing has really changed. I still have the 3 slots in X3, and I have 4 slots in X4. I purchased my 4th slot yesterday on my update. And the only thing that's different, I noticed that I've actually earned a couple of dollars. I'm not really sure if it's $3 or $2. I remember seeing my account at 84, and then I also remember seeing my account at 85. I just don't remember which number it was on my last video. But as you can see in X3, I gained $1 because I remember X3 was definitely at $40, and X4 it says $47. So I'm not sure if I gained $2 in X4. I believe it was like $2 in X4. So yeah, I gained $3 today, doing absolutely nothing because as you can see, I still have 1 referral. And yeah, I didn't do anything. I'm just actually letting my account sit. This is my first time that I'm actually checking it today. Everything is still the same. I still have that 1 overflow, and the rest of these are from my referral from earlier. Earlier meaning yesterday. And yeah, so that's basically it. I don't really have too much to record right now for my journey, but I can record that I did get an extra couple of dollars today. So with that being said, we're going to hop out of the computer and I'll see you guys in a second.
All right, guys, so we're out of the computer right now. You were able to see the update for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.